or today. And actually today I got you an unboxing video. So as you know, I'm a big fan of pop figures. As you can see, Groot and Rocket's on the other side of the TV. But today we got the Son of Odin for you. And basically, it's the Son of Odin, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. So here's the front, guys. There's the side. There's the other side. And there's the back. So as you know, we've got Groot and I'm trying to get him. But they haven't got him yet. So there is going to be a spoiler in this video. 2 actually. So I've got the full collection. It's basically a collection of what out of the movie Avengers Infinity War, and basically Thor goes to Rocket, "Hey Rabbit, how you doing?" And basically you just need Rocket and Thor. So I got the very first Rocket and the new Groot. So today we're actually gonna unbox them. Let's do this. Now let's unbox them. Make sure on the sellotape. Oh no. But last time I said they come with stands. They are supposed to. Wow, he's heavy. He actually feels heavy. Wow. Like, they're supposed to actually come with stands, but like they made a. I was looking for what them sticks was for. They're actually for a game that's coming out. So I'm gonna keep them. Oh, he's a bobblehead, is he? He's not a figure. Wow, he's actually heavy. Well, not that heavy, but wow, his head's actually heavy. I'm presuming if they made that the thumbs order really heavy, that'd be funny. So yeah, he actually bobbles. Better than Rocket. Like I've had Rocket for since the first Guardians came out, and yeah. So I like how he bobbles. Kind of reminds. In a movie, he says to Captain America, Steve Rogers, "Oh, I see you copying my beard." And if you go to Entertain Shop, that's where I got him. That's where I got Groot as well. He actually looks like him, like Thor and Captain America. Like if Thor didn't have that scar on his eye, it would actually look like Captain America. It's just weird, guys. So yeah, we have got good detail on his eyes this time. Like I have the other one, like from Thor out. I can't say the name, but I liked that hammer. Like I said in the last video, it's made by Groot's arm. And I like his back. It's like leather. Oh, there we go. It's like proper detail leather. So he's got like gloves on. I didn't see them in the movie, so that's a little bit weird. Kind of reminds me of Hawkeye when he has them gloves. But let's just have a look at that hammer for a second. Look at that detail. I'm impressed. And then it's got like Groot's head on it at the end. But guys, look at that. Wow. I like his boots too, because they got like silver on, and it's just so cool. But yeah, I love it. And I got Thanos coming. I actually do have him coming. And guys, as you can see, we got 4 now. I'm going to try and get some more. But that How to Train Your Dragon 3 trailer I showed you was actually fake. So I'm going to do another video on that. probably tomorrow or the day after, because Thanos is probably coming tomorrow. I'm not sure. But guys, if Thanos don't come tomorrow, I'll do the video. But if it doesn't, Thanos is coming. So guys, that's all I've got for today, guys. If you subscribe if you're new, hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you're new. I mean, if you got time. I ain't done this in a while. Hit that little bell so you're the first one to my live streams and my videos. And basically, peace out.